Now, this question is not hard, but it's very hard to understand. If you understand this question, then it is an easy problem. Okay, so I want you guys to try to solve it yourself first, and then I'll give you the solution. Pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, because once you are able to understand this, the language English, my God, sometimes it becomes too complicated. Even very simple things will get out of hand. And what to do? Our ancestors didn't conquer the world and establish English as the common medium. That's why we have to suffer. Sadly, now we have no other option. So pause the video and try to answer the problem. Okay, hope you guys did it. Now I'm going to give you the solution. So we are talking about a set of 11 numbers. A set of 11 numbers. There are 11 numbers. It is inside a set. Okay, good. Now, value 1. Minimum value of the average of the number of the set when their consecutive digits is greater than minus 5. See, of the, of the, of the. When too many of the comes, things do get out of hand. We won't understand. So I have to, handle this thing. Minimum value of the average. So we are looking for the minimum value of the average. Of what? Average of the, now I'll put a bracket. So we are looking for minimum value of the average. We are looking for the minimum value of the average of the number of sets when they are consecutive integers greater than minus 5. So they should be consecutive. Consecutive means the closer nearby integers, which are all of them should be greater than minus 5. And 11 such numbers we should check. We should check. And we have to find the minimum value of the average of the numbers, or we have to find their average. So there are a lot of sets, right? So for example, if I ignore this thing, if I take any 11 consecutive integers, if I take any 11 consecutive integers, it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 consecutive integers are there. If I take their average, I'm adding all of these values and dividing by 11. If you take the average, interestingly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is going to be 6. See, whenever you are taking consecutive integers, if odd numbers of integers are there, then the middle value, that is going to be average. You can simply solve it and check, it is going to be this. Okay, or if I take the number 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12, 11 numbers are there, divided by 11, number of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, the average is going to be 7. So what you have to do is that when you're taking consecutive integers, if you want the average, so this, you can find continuous averages. But if you want to find the average which is the lowest, all the numbers which you're taking should be lowest. Or you should start from the smallest number. When this is lesser than this, average also will be smaller. So just like that, we are looking for consecutive integers which are greater than or equal to minus 5. So if you want to make the average at the lowest, make sure that you are selecting all the numbers which are the lowest. So I'm starting with minus 5. Minus 5, because all the integers should be greater than or equal to minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1. Let me remove this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at this, we have 11 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only 10 numbers. Oh, I missed to minus 1. So if I put minus 1, now I have 11 numbers. Okay. Now, if I want to find the average, see, the average of these 11 numbers will be the minimum, because we are looking for all, we are looking to the extreme smallest set of numbers which are possible for us. So if you find the average of this number, you simply have to add these values and divide by 11. If you are adding these values, you can just see, I told you, right, the minimum value will come from the middle. If you check, minus 5 and plus 5 will go, minus 4 and plus 4 will go, only 0 will be left. So this is anyway going to be 0 by 11, or simply 0. So the value 1 which we are talking about, value 1, that is minimum value of the average of the number of sets when they are consecutive integers greater than 5, we are talking about the value 0. Now the second confusing statement, again of the too many of the are there, it's a confusing thing. So whenever such thing comes, the easiest way is to do is that you put brackets. Okay, that means minimum value of put a bracket from there to inch of the product of the numbers of the set when they are consecutive integers. So if you put brackets like this, then you can understand easily. We are looking for minimum value of what? The product of the numbers. We are looking for the product of the numbers. Of what numbers? The sets when they are consecutive non-negative integers. So we are looking for consecutive non-negative integers. See, I told you integers are the numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and it keeps on going to both sides. Out of this, these values, which are negative values, these are known as negative integers. And these values are known as positive integers. 0 is neither negative, it is neither positive. Now, if someone asks you to find non-negative integers, it basically means any number or any integer which is not negative. So we are looking for the numbers from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. So this set is non-negative integers. So basically we are looking for set of their consecutive non-negative integers. We are looking for the non-negative integers, which are nearby. Consecutive means nearby. And we are then, after finding that, we have to find their product of those numbers, and that value should be minimum. See, again, if you want the consecutive products of integers to be minimum, you simply have to see, since negative numbers are not there, you simply have to take the smallest set. In fact, if you include 0, it will become 0, the entire product. For example, the 11 numbers which I'll select is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, if you take the multiplication of these values, you are taking the product of these values. A single 0 will make the entire result 0. Now, if I take the next set of the same thing, of the non-negative number, instead of 0, if I take from 1, 2, 3 till 11, that is going to be a very big number. So the smallest value of here, the minimum value here is 0 when you are including 0 also. Therefore, the minimum value or the product of the numbers or the sets when they are consecutive non-negative integers will be simply 0. So value 2 is also 0. So if both the values are 0, we are looking for value 1 is equal to value 2. Option C will be your answer. That's it, guys. Thank you.